Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to convert Robux into real money. Okay, first things first, go to the Roblox website, which is roblox.com. Click then on the Create tab. This will take you to create.roblox.com. So just make sure to log in to your Roblox account. In your dashboard, just look for the DevX option, located at the lower left of your screen. This video will mention that you need to have at least 30,000 earned Robux in your account to be eligible for DevX. Additionally, you must have a verified email address and a valid DevX portal account. Also, take note that you must be 13 years old or older to use the DevX and be a community member in good standing, complying with Roblox terms of use. The video notes that you can cash out through DevX once a month, so make sure you are certain about the amount you want to cash out. After meeting these requirements and accumulating the necessary amount of Robux, which is 30,000 or more, you can cash out your Robux earnings into real money. And as simple as it is, hopefully this answers your question. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now convert Robux into real money. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.